is John Garcia from Manati Painting. This video I'm going to show you how to put a coal hanger. I bought this actually in Amazon. You just have to put it together. I think it's really nice, you know. This is going to be for my apartment. It's not for a customer, but I'm going to show you in this video how to hang this. It's really easy. The only problem is that you need a few tools to put it up, you know. So first of all, you have to put it together. It's already together. So for this one right here, put that up right there, you're gonna need a tape measure because it depends how big you want it, you know. I'm a little bit taller, so I already marked my lines right here. So it depends how tall do you want it, you know. So this one right here, we're gonna put it at 6 feet. So okay, so everything is pretty much marked already. So what you have to do, right, is that you have to put this. So if you already mark the line right here, so let's say that you already have the mark right here. So the next thing, right, is that you have to put the coal hanger in place, and then you need a level, right, small level, to make sure that is level, you know. So let's see. So right there is the mark. So right there is the mark. Right there is level, right there. So that is perfect. So once the coal hanger is on level, right, you just need to mark it right there, mark it right here. You can actually put the camera across, you know, and mark it right here. So you already have the mark, so you just have to put it there and then drill the holes. Now sometimes in here, like this one right here, this is block, this is like concrete, this is like a brick wall, right? So for this kind of thing, you're gonna have to you're gonna need a drill bit, right? For concrete, you're also gonna need a drill hammer. So we already have this in place, so we just need to drill the holes, and then for that you're going to need a drill bit. This is a concrete drill bit right here. You can see there is for concrete because it has this one right here. So usually if it's wood, it doesn't have this. So you're gonna need a drill hammer to drill into the concrete, and then you put it in, make sure it's straight. Usually in the drill hammer there is the hammer. So this one right here is gonna like hit it like this, so it can drill faster. This is just if you're gonna do like a regular hole in the wood. This one right here, and this is for the screws. So that's that. So in this case we're gonna use this one right here, and this is the speed. So I usually like the speed on fast, you know, just because it's faster, right? Because in this day everybody wants fast. So okay, so this one right here is really strong. If you're thinking to do it yourself, just better be careful. Put your hands really solid, you know. So right here is the hole, right? So you're gonna put it right there, and then you're gonna push. So right there are the holes, right? I think it's really easy. So now you're gonna need grates. You can find this at Home Depot or Lowe's. So you're also gonna need a hammer. And actually I don't have a hammer. So you put it right there. Okay. So in this case, I don't have a hammer, so okay. So you can hit it with the drill. Okay, so we already drilled the hose. We already put the grits, right? We already have the marks. So right now, you can put one screw in place, right? So you can see where it goes. So right now you need your drill, your impact drill. So make sure the screw is in the hole, and then put it right there. It's down already, it's done. I think I need like steps too. Okay, so that's in. And we have to tie up this one right here. A little bit more. Almost the same process if you wanna put up, let's say, like a picture, or maybe like a mirror, or something square like this, you know. It's the same process. You have to measure how tall you want it, then you have to put the level so everything can be straight, right? So don't forget, you have to mark it right here, and then right here, so you can put it in place, so you can mark the hose. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and